Blue, 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 pink, pink, pink.
Blue. No.
Alright, that should be about ready.
Blue, pink, blue,
Okay.
pink underneath.
Okay. Is that what you want to do?
So blue, pink.
Okay. Well, that's what you want to do. Hurting yourself. Alright, now when you open these, you gotta squeeze. So this is gonna be kind of hard, okay? So you squeeze the two together. No, it's alright. There's nothing inside of it.
No, it's just you're gonna pop it off on my face.
What?
Is that the ball? No.
The ball's inside the
Be
can.
careful, it's gonna spray.
I know.
It's not the birdhouse.
Now,
This is the
stand up
birdhouse.
and just so you don't get it all over you, please. And you gotta be at a distance from it. Okay? So, you want to be at a distance. No. Here, where you put it on the roof first? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, put it on.
Okay, just go back and forth. Back farther. Yeah. Good.
Oh, I see.
Do another line. Great. There you go. Do it again.
Where?
Huh? This is your project. I can't tell you what to do.
But you just.
Huh?
Never mind.
You're doing good.
Am I?
Yes, you are. Yes, you're doing very, very good. Are you doing both sides like that?
Yep.
You want me to do it for a little? You want me to do it?
I'm doing it.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
No, 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 no. Always go one direction. Go with the grain. There you go, just like that. Now, you want to keep moving fast over it, otherwise it's all going to clump up in one spot. Here, like this. I'm going to show you. Watch my fingers. Here, like this. May I?
I don't want it anymore.
Watch.
I want it over here.
Hold on.
I don't want it over there. I want it over here.
Just like that.
Like it.
Don't want to get any on me, though. Now, what do you want next? You put it on the front?
Yeah.
Okay. How's it going to be hard?
Because I can't get to it.
Why? That's your fault.
Oh well, it's blue now.
Okay. Pick it up. Put it up on its side. Can you pick it up?
No.
Why don't you put it on the top of the rock a little bit? Here. So, no. When you're going to pick it up. All right. There you go. I'm going to put the rock under. There you go. There. Now you're catching on. It's okay to get a little on your fingers. You going to put any underneath?
I'm doing the pink underneath.
Remember, when you do the next color, you're going to be very careful, okay? No, you want to hold the thing upside down, like this. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah? Just like this, like this. Watch your face. Watch your face. You want to get some of the runs out. Yeah, it's got the runs. Alright. So, now, got the first part done. Now, the problem is the magenta is going to go into some of that blue now because of the way we're doing this. You know that, right?
Oh well.
All right, what you not only want to leave it there because then all you got to do is go back and forth like that, okay?
Oh.
Put the lid on. Put the lid on. It's okay.
Seaside.
Now, remember, you want to do an even motion. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on the other side. Okay? All right. All right, now squeeze this two together right there. Squeeze that right here. Squeeze this.
I can
this.
do it. I can do it.
Okay. You're supposed to squeeze both sides. Like, there you go.
Oh yeah, I did
Careful.
it.
There
You
you go.
didn't.
Here, let me see it real quick, please.
You're wasting my head.
I don't want to get on you though.
Never waste
Now, even. No. Even. You want even rows. There you go. But you're too close. There you go. Really? You don't get it what I mean close. Like this. May I show you?
Yes.
You do the other side. Watch. All right. So.
I like that.
Watch yourself.
Can we just paint the whole house?
Yeah, but it's all gonna. Be careful. Now do the other side. It kind of gives it a thrill look. Now, careful, it's going to shoot up. Now, get these out of the way, please.
Never put them there. Eat it. Why would you do that?
We definitely make it our own, don't we?
No.
Huh?
What?
I said we definitely make it our own, don't we?
Yeah.
Can you get it? Want me
I
to-
got it.
You sure? What are you missing then? It's definitely creative.